Welcome to our Magento 2 tutorials. Today we will learn how to create attribute sets. What is an attribute set? It determines the fields that are available during data entry, and the values that appear to the customer. If you would like to add only a small number of attributes, you can add them to the default attribute set. On the admin sidebar, tap Stores. Then under Attributes, choose Attribute Set, tap Add New Attribute Set. Enter a name for the attribute set, set based onto an existing attribute set to be used as a template. When complete, tap Save. Tap Add New to create a new attribute group. Enter a name, then drag attributes from any other group to the new group. To add a new attribute to the set, drag the attribute from the unassigned attributes list to the appropriate folder in the Groups column. The new group becomes a section of attributes in any product that is based on the attribute set. In next video we will learn how to set up flat catalog. Hexa. Connecting applications, automating processes,